नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ GBN डॉक्टर रिकी शर्मा, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ गायनी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. Today we discuss the continue of the newborn assessment part third. Now, neuromuscular maturity. Neuromuscular system evaluation gestational maturity rating is measured after the baby is born by the Ballard scale. It consists of 6 evaluation area of the neuromuscular maturity and 7 items of physical maturity. A score is assigned to each area. The more neurologically mature the baby, the higher the score. Neuromuscular maturity. Neuromuscular system evaluation include posture, how does the baby hold his or her arm and legs, square window, how far the baby's hands can be flexed toward the wrist, arm recoil, how far the baby's arm springs back to flex position, popliteal angle, how far the baby's knee extended, scar sign, how far the elbows can be removed across the baby's chest, heel to ear, how close the baby's feet can be moved to the ears. Assessment of reflexes. First is rooting and sucking reflex. Touch infant's lip, cheek, or corner of mouth with pacifier. Infant turns head toward stimuli, open mouth, take hold and sucks. This is called rooting reflex or sucking reflex. बेबी के मुंह के आसपास माउथ ऑफ कॉर्नर्स की चिक्स पे कहीं पे भी अगर कुछ टच कराते हैं तो बेबी माउथ को ओपन करके और उसको होल्ड करके सक करने की कोशिश करता है और सक करता है. इस रिफ्लेक्स को कहते हैं रूटिंग रिफ्लेक्स और सकिंग रिफ्लेक्स. ग्रैप्स. द पाल्मर बिटवीन 3 to 4 months प्लेस फिंगर इन पाम ऑफ हैंड. ये पाल्मर रिफ्लेक्स जो है 3 to 4 months में बेबी के अंदर डेवलप होता है. अगर बेबी की पाम में फिंगर रखेंगे तो वो उसको होल्ड कर लेगा. दिस इज कॉल्ड पाल्मर रिफ्लेक्स. Infant's finger curl around examiner's finger. Plantar lenses by 8 months. Place finger at base of toe. Infant toes curve downwards. And globular reflex. The tape forehead, bridge of notch or maxilla. Newborn blinks for first 4 or 5 taps. Blinking means continue blinking means extra pyramidal disorder. ग्लैबुलर रिफ्लेक्स में क्या होता है, जब बेबी के फोरहेड पे या उसके नोज ऑफ ब्रिज पे मैक्सिला पे अगर फिंगर को टैप करते हैं तो वो ब्लिंक करता है. तो इस रिफ्लेक्स को ग्लैबुलर रिफ्लेक्स कहते हैं. अगर बेबी कंटिन्यू ब्लिंकिंग करता रहता है तो एक्स्ट्रा pyramidal डिसऑर्डर बेबी को हो सकता है. Babinski sign, stroke upward along a lateral aspect of sole, then move finger across ball of foot. All toes extend big toe with dorsal, dorsiflex. Absence require neurological evaluation. This should disappear after 1 year of age. Stepping or walking. Hold infant vertically, allowing one foot to touch table surface. Infant with stimulate walking. Turn infant walk on sole of feet or preterm walk of their toes. Crawling, place newborn on abdomen, and newborn makes crawling movement with arm and legs, disappears at 6 weeks of age. Nutrition, an infant may be put to breastfeed shortly after birth or at least within 4 hours of birth. Most infants are on demand feeding schedule and are allowed to feed when they awaken. Usually mothers are encouraged to feed their children every 3 hours to 4 hours during the day, and only when the infant awakens during the night for the first few days after birth. Formula based infant Formula feed infant usually eat every 3 to 4 hours. Water supply are not recommended. Head and neck. Head, anterior and posterior fontanelle, large anterior fontanelle, small anterior fontanelle, bulging fontanelle, modeling caput succedaneum, cephalohematoma, increased intracranial pressure, craniosynostosis, craniotaps. Now skin node color, usually pink color. If finger and toe have bluish tinge, that sign of poor blood circulation during the first few hours. Pataches, tiny reddish purple spot on part of the baby that were pressed hard during delivery. During pataches on all part of body could be sign of a disorder. Erythema toxicum, about half of all newborn develop a rash about 24 hours after birth. It harmless and disappear in 7 to 14 days. Heart rates and lungs, need to listen the heart and lung through a stethoscope to detect any abnormality. Abnormal sound such as heart murmur or lung congestion. Inspect the newborn skin color. A blue color of the face and torus may be a sign of congenital heart or lung disease. Sound watch the newborn breath and count the number of breaths in a minute. Grunting and or flaring nostril with breathing and breathing too fast or too slow can be sign of problems. Now abdomen and genitals. Examine the general shape of abdomen and also check the size, shape and position of internal organs such as the kidneys, liver and spleen. Enlarged kidney may include a blockage of the outflow of urine. Examine the genitals to ensure urethral opening and proper location. Testes should be present in the scrotum and labia are prominent because of exposure to the mother's hormone, and they remain swallow for first few weeks. Secretion from the vagina that contain blood and mucus are normal. Also examines the anus to make sure the opening is normally placed. This version is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.